In this video today, I will show you how Google, a platform most of you use daily, can make you thousands of dollars in passive income when you combine it with this website here. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, a gold coin will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Okay, so as I said in that intro guys, you will get paid in PayPal money from the platform I will show you soon enough. And as such, your first step is to come over to paypal.com where you will want to create your PayPal account. And by the way, as you can see, PayPal works in many countries around the world, which is the exact reason I said this will most likely work in your country. Anyhow, to create your account on PayPal here, you want to now come back up a bit and you will see this sign up button in the upper right corner on which you want to click. On the very next page, just select personal account and click on continue. And from there, you just enter in stuff like your first and last names, email address, phone number, address, and so on. And when you create your PayPal account, you will now be able to get paid. And so it's now time to go to the second platform. That platform in question is of course Google. As I said, we will be using a simple Google trick to get paid today. And so you now want to come over to Google and you will want to search for stuff along the lines of cute cats, cute dogs, beautiful landscapes, nature, and so on. You will simply put want to find great looking images. And here's the thing, you want them in all different niches. So you want photos that are all unrelated to one another. And I will show you why that is when we go over to the third platform. In my case, I searched for cute cats here as an example. And now what you want to do before you download a photo is click on tools right here. And then you'll be able to see usage rights over here on which you want to click it. And finally, select Creative Commons license. Now, as some of you may guess, this is the Google trick I was talking about. Not many people know about this at all. And what this does is that it gives you the license to freely use any of these photos. If you downloaded the photos from before and used them, you would get taken down for copyright. But now you can use any of these freely however you want to. From there, you simply want to find a nice looking photo. Try to find the best one of them all. And you want to click on it. Then right click and select Save Image As to download it to your PC. From there, you want to search for something different. As I said, for example, nature. And by the way, just check out how beautiful these photos are. Once again, once you find one you like, right click on it and click on Save Image As, and you will repeat this process for all of the images in whatever niche you pick until you have around 10 or so images in all different niches. Finally, from there, you will want to come over to the platform I mentioned time and time again. And the platform that will actually pay us is called clickasnap.com. And immediately when you come on here, you see this. It pays to share. Sign up and get paid for your content. And your content will indeed be those very images you found over on Google for absolutely free without even having to take them yourself. The way this works is as follows. You upload an image on this website. Whenever someone views it, they will see a bunch of ads on the side of the image. And the website shares the ad revenue with the person who uploaded the photo, which in this case will be you. And just a side note here, I'm assuming most of you watching this don't have a camera. But if you happen to be an even halfway decent photographer and you have a good camera, then it would be a far better option to simply take the photos yourselves. This will add originality to your images, and in the end, you'll be doing what you love. Now, with that said, this platform, guys, has been around for quite some time, and it wasn't so popular not too long ago. But for whatever reason, it blew up, and now it literally gets millions of visits. Furthermore, I remember a while back that it paid much less money per image viewed. As you can see here, it will pay you 70 cents. This used to be 15 cents. And even though 70 cents may still seem like a small amount of money, trust me, it's not. Think about it. If 100 people view your photo, that's already $70 made in passive income. And this site gets millions of visits, so it's nearly guaranteed you will get some decent views at the very least. So now is the perfect time to jump onto this website and take advantage of the fact that it's gotten so popular, and then it started paying more for the photos. Anyhow, on this page here, you can see some more info regarding the payment. The minimum payout is $15 as you can see, which isn't the lowest for sure, but it isn't too bad either. What you need to do in order to start getting paid is click on sign up for free right here. From there, you can sign up via Facebook, Google, or Twitter, which is ultimately faster. Or alternatively, you can just sign up via email and enter in your email address, username, and password before agreeing to the terms and clicking on create an account just below. Now, once you sign up, there is a bit of a catch. I have to mention this site, it isn't 100% free if you do want to get paid for people viewing your photos. But take a look at this. In order to get paid for views, you just need to invest £2 into this site, which is just under $3 for an entire month, while you can literally make thousands of dollars during that time. I know this is a bit of a disappointment for many of you, but I can assure you it will be well worth it to invest such a small amount of money into this site. Once you do, you can just use Google to upload like 10 images a day, and once you have a few dozen images, you'll be able to make thousands of dollars in passive income from there. As new people are discovering the site every single day, which means some of your older photos will get views and months after they've been uploaded. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.